In this video, we'll guide you through purchasing the Trump meme coin in just 1 minute. Step 1. Purchase Solana SOL on Coinbase. Begin by logging into your Coinbase account. If you don't have one, sign up and complete the necessary verification. Once logged in, navigate to the Buy-Sell section. Select Solana SOL and enter the amount you wish to purchase. Confirm the transaction to add SOL to your Coinbase wallet. Step 2. Set up a Moonshot Wallet. Download the Moonshot app from the App Store or Google Play Store. After installation, open the app and follow the prompts to create a new wallet. Ensure you securely back up your recovery phrase, as it's essential for accessing your funds. Step 3. Transfer SOL to Moonshot. In Coinbase, go to your SOL wallet and select Send. Enter your Moonshot wallet address, which you can find in the Moonshot app under the Receive section. Input the amount of SOL to transfer, confirm the details, and complete the transaction. The transfer may take a few minutes to process. Step 4. Purchase Trump Memecoin on Moonshot. Once your SOL has arrived in your Moonshot wallet, open the app and navigate to the trading section. Search for Trump in the list of available tokens. Select it, choose the amount you wish to purchase, and confirm the transaction. Moonshot will facilitate the exchange, and your Trump tokens will appear in your wallet upon completion.